What's up, guys? More Medic One here, and it is apparent that I need to school a few on this head that I'm fixing to show you on a Weedeater. Now, this has been around for about a decade now, and this is quite possibly the best, absolute, without a shadow of a doubt, the best trimmer head on the market today. This is the Echo Speed Feed head, and I get somebody is going to come in my shop at least probably 6 times a year with this head completely disassembled in a basket. Can't figure out how to put line on this thing. You don't need to disassemble the Speed Feed head to put line on it. All you have to do is line up this arrow right here to the eyelet here, and if you look, you should, if you get that lined up just right, you should be able to see daylight all the way through that. Just like there he goes. Now what you're going to do is you're going to strip off you about 16 foot of trimmer line. And all you have to do is put that dude through that eyelet right there. And it's going to shoot out the other side over here. Now just grab this, come to your other end of the end of your line, and line them up. And you're just going to pull this until you have equal lengths, just like that. Now, once you get the line through there, all you're going to do is literally twist. You can either twist the back part of this head to the left, or you can twist the head to the right. I like to just twist, kind of doing both at the same time. But in reality, you should be able to re-spool one of these in about 30 seconds. Get on the other side here. Now, one of the beauty parts of this head is they sell replacements for Echoes and Shindaiwas, but they also make the Speed Feed in a universal package. You can literally, it'll fit just about any trimmer on the market. And that's it. Right there.